In this video, I am going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use a Gua Sha. And also, I am sharing the amazing benefits it can bring to your skincare routine. This ancient Chinese beauty tool is known for its ability to depuff the face, regulate blood circulation, and give you that natural glowing complexion we all crave for. When I wake up in the morning, my eyes and face look so puffed up and I look like a different person. Gua Sha is something that helped me. So if you're ready to transform your skin, embrace a relaxing and rejuvenating practice of Gua Sha, keep watching. Start by applying a facial oil on your face. This makes the Gua Sha tool to glide smoothly on your face. Start from the side of your nose and move the tool outwards towards your ear, lifting as you go. This helps to lift and firm the cheek area. Repeat 5 times. Next, place the tool at the center of your chin and sweep it along your jawline towards your ear. This helps to define and sculpt the jaw. Repeat 5 times. Place the Gua Sha tool at the side of your nose just above the apple of your cheek. Glide the tool outwards and upward, following the natural curve of your cheekbone. Repeat 5 times. Be very gentle under your eyes. Start from the inner corner and move outwards. This reduces puffiness and dark circles. Repeat 5 times. On forehead, using gentle pressure, sweep the tool upwards towards your temples. Repeat this motion 5 times. Place the Gua Sha tool at the base of your neck near the collarbone. Glide the tool upwards in a smooth, even motion towards your jawline. Make sure to follow the natural curve of your neck. Repeat 5 times. Now, repeat the same procedure on the other side of your face. Gua Sha stimulates blood flow, which results in a brighter and more radiant complexion. The massaging action reduces swelling and puffiness, especially around the eyes and cheeks. Regular use of Gua Sha sculpt and define the face, giving a more lifted and toned appearance. Gua Sha reduces muscle tension in the face. It also helps to promote lymphatic drainage. The increased circulation and collagen production from Gua Sha smooths out fine lines and wrinkles over time. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're feeling inspired to incorporate this amazing tool in your skincare routine. Remember, consistency is the key, so make sure to practice regularly to see best results. And don't forget to listen to your skin and be gentle. Your skin will thank you. I will leave the links in the description box for Gua Sha and also some facial oils. If you found this video useful, then do share it with your friends and family so that it will be useful for them too. Until then, I will see you next time. Take care. Bye. Check. And idiyappama. Today, I'm super excited. Idiyappama.